Hello everyone, myself Abhishek Goel, third year BTech CSE student from Bennett University. Today I am going to give you a brief about cloud storage, what it is, how it works, what are its advantages, disadvantages, and many more. So let's start with it. In this seminar, we will cover the following topics. What is cloud storage? How does cloud storage work? The leading free cloud service providers in the market. Cloud storage, what are the business benefits? What does it cost to users? Different types of cloud storage. Advantages of cloud storage, disadvantages of cloud storage, conclusion and references. So let's start with it. First of all, what is cloud storage? Cloud storage is believed to have been invented by computer scientist Dr. Joseph Carl Robert Licklider in the 1960s. Cloud storage is a technology that allows you to save files in a storage and then access those files via the cloud. Let's break down this definition. First, storage is the computer's ability to save files and other resources for later use. When you restart a computer, the files that are still available after the computer turns back on are saved and read from storage. Such storage commonly consists of a hard drive, a USB flash drive, or another type of drive. Because local data drives can be damaged or stolen, an idea was developed to use data drives over a network as storage. This allows the drives to be secured in a data center and backed up automatically. Initially, network storage required fast local networks, but today we have a ubiquitous network called the Internet. The second part of cloud storage, the cloud, represents the Internet. Any service, including storage, available over the Internet is called cloud service. If you use Gmail, it is email in the cloud. If you use an Amazon MP3 player, that's music in the cloud. Now let's study about how cloud storage works. Cloud storage is purchased from a third-party cloud vendor who owns and operates data storage capacity and delivers it over the internet in a pay-as-you-go model. These cloud storage vendors manage capacity, security, and durability to make data accessible to your applications all around the world. Applications access cloud storage through traditional storage protocols or directly via an API. Many vendors offer complementary services designed to help collect, manage, secure, and analyze data at massive scale. Now, moving on to the leading free cloud storage providers available in the market. iCloud and Dropbox are among the top cloud service providers that are used by millions of people. iCloud is used by 300 million users, same goes for Dropbox, followed by Microsoft OneDrive that is 250 million users, then comes the Google Drive that is used by 200 million users, and last is the Box that is used by 25 million users. Now let's move on to the personal use benefits of using cloud storage. There are numerous benefits of using cloud storage. Let's take an example of iCloud. iCloud is a service provided by Apple. It provides 5 GB of free storage and it allows you to buy the music once, it stores it, the iCloud stores it, and then you can use on any of your Apple devices. It provides access to all the files, music, calendar, email, etc. So it is a great benefit to the user. Now, moving on to the business benefits of using cloud storage, they are as follows. With cloud storage, you do not require any CD, external hard drive, or localized servers. Everything is done on internet. This kind of provides feasibility to the business organizations. Next, data is quickly and automatically updated in the cloud, so you don't have to wait for a longer period of time for the data to be updated. and the users can even retrieve the data whenever they want. Next, the data is safe and secure in the cloud even if your physical assets are destroyed. So if any kind of mishappening happens and the physical assets are destroyed, the data shall remain safe and secure in the cloud. Next, one of the greatest benefits is its ability to grow with its users. Next, with no need for physical on-site storage space, you can have a smaller workspace. This in turn saves a lot of money as we can have a smaller workspace, less equipment to buy, and fewer IT employees to maintain the equipment and for managing the data. Next, IT staffs can spend more time to focus on other important tasks to help your business growth. So instead of taking care of data and stuff, the IT staff can spend more time on developing other things, on focusing on other important tasks rather than this. Next, moving on to what does it cost to users? What does the company or you need out of the cloud service? Most importantly, one requires storage space, and that storage space should be economical and should be in budget. Secondly, you require that it should have a good performance, like it should have a typical transfer rate of at least 2 to 3 MB per second. It should have a good technical support. It should have a technical team that is always there to help you whenever you are in a difficulty or you face any issue. Next, there should be the protection of data. Data is very important nowadays, and there is a big need for the data to be remain protected. So it should provide a facility of disaster recovery and comprehensive backup. There are four main types of cloud storage. These are personal, public, private, and hybrid. Starting with the personal cloud storage. It is also known as mobile cloud storage. Personal cloud storage is a subset of public cloud storage that applies to storing an individual's data in the cloud and providing the individual with access to the data from anywhere. It also provides data syncing and sharing capabilities across multiple devices. Apple's iCloud is an example of personal cloud storage. Next, public cloud storage. Public cloud storage is where the enterprise and storage service provider are separate and there aren't any cloud resources stored in the enterprise's data center. The cloud storage provider fully manages the enterprise's public cloud storage. Next is the private cloud storage, a form of cloud storage where the enterprise and cloud storage provider are integrated in the enterprise's data center. In private cloud storage, the storage provider has infrastructure in the enterprise's data center that is typically managed by the storage provider. Provide Private cloud storage helps resolve the potential for security and performance concerns while still offering the advantages of the cloud storage. Last is the hybrid cloud storage. Hybrid cloud storage is a combination of public and private cloud storage where some critical data resides in the enterprise's private cloud while other data is stored and accessible from a public cloud storage provider. Moving on to the advantages of cloud storage. These are as follows. Number one, cost. Businesses and organizations can often reduce annual operations cost by using cloud storage. Cloud storage costs about 3% per gigabyte to store data internally. Users can see additional cost savings because it does not require internal power to store information remotely. Second, accessibility. Stored files can be accessed from anywhere via internet connection. Number 3, usability. All cloud storage services reviewed in this topic have desktop folders for Macs and PCs. This allows users to drag and drop files between the cloud storage and their local storage. Next is recovery. It is highly recommended that businesses have an emergency backup plan ready in case of any emergency. Cloud storage can be used as a backup plan by businesses by providing a second copy of important files. These files are stored at a remote location and can be accessed through an internet connection. Next is security. Cloud storage providers add additional layers of security to their services. Talking about the disadvantages of cloud storage, these are as follows. First is internet connection. Cloud-based storage is dependent on internet. If you have no internet connection, you have no access to your data. If you are on a slow network, you may face issues accessing your data. Next is hard drives. As we all know, cloud storage eliminates the need of any CD, pen drive or any other hard drives. But some businesses require hard drives as well. So cloud storage lacks in that particular area. Next is support. Support for cloud storage isn't the best. Like the free versions of cloud providers available in the market today does not come with a good support team. Many providers refer you to a knowledge base or FAQs. The next is privacy. There are concerns with the safety and privacy of important data stored remotely. The possibility of private data commingling with other organizations makes some businesses uneasy. The data is no longer on your physical storage, so who's responsible for making sure that the data is secure? That's still a mystery. Moving on to the conclusion. Many of the activities loosely grouped together under cloud computing have already been happening, and centralized computing activity is not a new phenomenon. Grid computing was the last research-led centralized approach. However, there are concerns that the mainstream adoption of cloud computing could cause many problems for users. Many new open source systems appearing that you can install and run on your local cluster. Here are the references that you can go through so as to get a deeper understanding of cloud storage. These are wikipedia.com, studymafia.org, aws.amazon.com, pptplanet.com. Thanks a lot for listening. I hope you were able to follow me. Thanks and have a nice day.